Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing off a 2024 Limited 4Runner with a 3-inch lift. Let's get started. So today we're going to be lifting a 2024 Limited 4Runner. We typically do an off-road or an off-road premium or even an SR5 from time to time, but a Limited has an XREAS suspension. It's an all-time all-wheel drive vehicle. And one of the reasons that we're doing a Limited is because you get a couple extra standard creature comfort. So for example, it's going to have the real leather seats as opposed to the soft Tex. It's also going to have heated and ventilated seats as opposed to just heated seats. Front and rear parking sensors, standard JBL audio. And also, it's like I said, it's an all-time all-wheel drive system. It's got 20-inch wheels standard as well in this vehicle. So it's a nice vehicle to start with if you're accustomed to luxury amenities that you may not be able to get on TRD off-road premium. So we really only did about 3 or 4 modifications to this vehicle. Let's go through them. For starters, again, we're using a Westcott Designs 3-inch lift. It's a 3-inch spacer lift. It's in the front, it's 3 inches. In the rear, it's 1.5. So the car is going to be sitting level. It's going to allow the ability to put a little bit larger tire on it. In this case, we're using a Nito Ridge grappler. This is a LT 285 5520 on the stock rim. This is the stock rim has been powder coated in a high gloss black finish. So again, we're not adding the expense of adding new wheels. We're just adding the tires. We're adding the lift, and then we added a side step just for easier in and out access to it. This is the Limited Nightshade running board, which is really the same as the actual Limited running board, just has a black strip on the bottom of it as opposed to a chrome strip. That's all we have for today. If you guys like the Limited 4Runner with a lift kit on it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content.